Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the original, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I'm up here in mountain goat country, top of the hill, to pick up this desk, which is a keyboard drawer because I keep dropping the keyboard on the floor. I cannot pick up this other one, it's just too big for one thing, and the drawer sticks. But I'm going to take that home, and then I can put the tray table away, and hopefully I'll have enough room. I'll have enough room to put this bag in here. Hold on, putting the phone. There we go. And I want to tell you, I don't care where you go in Martinez, but almost invariably, no matter where you go, it involves going up the hill. And at least going back down again. And now I got the shopping cart from the end of the balcony that someone else brought. Hold on. Alright. So here's where I am, way up, about half a mile, I guess, from where I live. And give you an idea how high it is up here. I'm at the bottom of this section of the hill, and there's still 2 blocks going uphill, and more houses up there. So, alright, headed back down the hill with my free desk. This will be bigger than the tray table, and then I'll have to move the water cooler into the bedroom somewhere, make some room for it. I was hoping to get the other one so that I could get rid of the end table in the bedroom, but that's too big. But this will work. I'll have a little room to work with. And some very nice houses here. Now the fun part is going to be getting this cart down the hill without tripping or having it run away from me. And way off in the distance there you can see the bay. Okay. See if I can get I don't know how clearly you can see that, but I'm not sure what this lightning symbol is. So, but I'm going about as slow as I can go. I'm going to grab, whoa! I'm going to grab that. I do not need to fall again. I did that last 2 weeks ago. I got offered a $500 security card today, and I'm toying with the idea. They take off $125 as an annual fee, but it would give me $375 to work with, and go toward repairing, go get the iPad repaired. Of course, I'm not going to be doing videos after a while. Someone knit a kitty cat, made a kitty cat out of beads for the cable there. Here's an orange tree. Beware of attack squirrel sign. And I wonder how old some of these houses are. Some of them are really pretty. Hope the car doesn't come behind me. Going to the doctor tomorrow. I keep getting dizzy and I keep hearing water rushing in my ear all the time. Well, I thought I heard a car. This is a really nice house. Love the redwood tree. This is very pretty. So is this one. Very nice house. Look at this. Eat beef the West wasn't one on salad. I like it. Okay. I had to curve up this street called Talbart to get up there and then go up further. Oh, my hand's getting tired holding the phone. There's a neat old house. I'm going to curve down this way. More hill. Looks like the cherry blossoms or apple blossoms are flowering already. Very pretty tree. When I get home, I'll